So hello everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I have not one, but two Gourmet Living extra virgin olive oil and extra virgin olive oil Toscana. I think that's right. And they came in this box. I had one about 2 weeks ago, and it's half gone already. So this is it. This is the first one. And this is the Gourmet extra virgin Toscano. And it's made in Italy. It's cold pressed. I believe this is, yeah. It's cold extracted. Cold extracted. Not cold, but cold. And this is it. And I like this olive oil. And I like this company too. And then the other one is, and I like that they don't send me like little teeny tiny bottles to test either. They actually send me big bottles. I mean, I'll open the box. So bear with me. And this is the Gourmet Living PQL extra virgin olive oil from California. First pressed and cold pressed. So I'm going to try these and I'll tell you how I like them, because you learn to like, well, I've always liked olive oil because my mother, that was her thing, olive oil on salad and, drizzle of olive oil when we're eating bread and stuff like that. So I learned that very, very young. But, then I kind of got away from it. But I like cooking with olive oil. I really do. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will leave you all the information in the comment section as well. I love you. Take care. God bless, and have a good weekend. Bye-bye.